We're talking today about MNF Group Limited, trading under the ticker code MNF. Rationalle initiated coverage in November 2016, late last year, at $4.88. This is a growth play. We've added this position to our growth portfolio as we see the potential for a mix of organic growth and acquisitions. This company has a strong track record of earnings and revenue growth, having grown the top line in every year since 2006, and over the last 5 years, the company had a compound annual growth rate of over 60% per annum. In addition, we believe management has a strong track record of value creation and successfully integrating business acquisitions. MNF Group, which many still know under the name MyNetPhone, Rationalle has not changed our estimates significantly over the past year. There has been a slight uptick in earnings projections after the acquisition that was conducted earlier this year, which adds about $3.5 million in earnings and potentially synergies in terms of costs, but that hasn't really moved the needle, as also over 4 million new shares have been issued. But we have released an update in September reaffirming our view, and we remain very bullish about the 12-month outlook. MNF is a telecommunication technology company offering internet-based communication services. The industry is going through structural changes. We have the NBN rollout affecting many of the competitors in the industry, including Telstra, TPG Telecom, Vocus. MNF Group is slightly different, has a more diversified product offering, and is much smaller. But there are a lot of challenges in the industry. There is fierce competition, and we also believe that will impact the sector over the coming years. While we have seen many opportunities, there are obviously plenty of risks that need to be taken into consideration. As just briefly outlined, the industry-related risks are severe. We have seen most of the competitors declining over the last 12 months in terms of its stock price, which we can see in the graph here. However, MNF Group has outperformed most of its peers. We should definitely take the industry challenges serious. There are structural changes that can impact MNF's earnings and a revenue growth trajectory over the coming year. The valuation is not cheap, so the market does assume some level of growth. So if the company does not meet its targets, that could result in a revaluation of the company's share price. In addition, MNF also pursues an acquisition strategy, and there are usually integration risks associated with new acquisitions, and there's no guarantee that synergies can be realized in the same manner as management anticipates. Rationalle is currently rating MNF Group as a buy. We see significant upside with a target of north of $6. We believe there are risks associated with the industry and company specific, mainly in regards to the acquisition growth strategy. But overall, we believe it is a very suitable investment opportunity for those investors seeking to gain exposure to a beaten down sector. There are not many opportunities in this space, but we believe that MNF is one of the most suitable opportunities in the telecommunications space.